Hey, welcome back, everybody. This is Polo with Polo Trading LLC. I'm gonna make this short and quick because this this past week was absolutely bananas. Was bonkers. Was crazy. With all the different things going on with GameStop and AMC and even Dogecoin going up and down, and it's just been a bananas. Wall Street bets on Reddit going crazy. I think it's phenomenal that the number one stock that caused all of this was GameStop because it's actually stopping the game, right? It's stopping and it's changing the game, or at least changing the conversation, right? Like, will this really make a difference moving forward? Many people are wising up or learning about the institutions of the stock market. This is the number one reason. You can watch my other videos. I say it on a regular basis. The stock market is not the economy, it is the institutions. 75% of money that's in the stock market is from major banks and institutions and brokers and things like that, right? It's not the everyday retailer because of the apps, because of Robinhood, Webull, SoFi, Cash App, and TD Ameritrade. Many other people are getting involved, right? They're getting involved. We want a piece of the pie, right? Even I started this, right? Because I've been involved in this is why institutions get richer. Corporations are considered people because of Citizens United. I don't want to get too political on this. I will say this does feel like the digital financial continuation of the of Occupy Wall Street. This is what this feels like. This is what this feels like to me. The digital financial Occupy Wall Street. And I am mindful again, right? Because everybody not involved in this. Occupy Wall Street, somebody could just walk up, roll up in the wheelchair, like whatever, right? They can participate in different ways. If you don't have money in the stock market, then this don't even mean anything that much to you, right? But it's affecting things, right? So real fast, I don't make my whole intro. But I just want to get right into it and make try to make the videos a little shorter and start trying to kick out something on a daily basis as well. But there's so much craziness going on. So this is another reason why I look at long term, right? So I appreciate those who hop in and out. I'm learning, right? My portfolio is actually closer, my overall portfolio with all the other things that I do, from coins to stocks, to different IRAs. Like, I'm actually close to like 10 G's now, right? I ain't never had this much money invested in the quote unquote market or invest in different ways. So that's new, right? That's new for me, and it's a little scary as well, right? But I'm gonna share my screen real quick of just what happened this past week, right? I didn't do a video last week, so week 25 I missed out. But week 25 was good, was great, in fact. And I actually had a week. Um, the the week right here, like we was up $52, right? But this past week, this past week was brutal. So as you all see, I mean, hey, it ain't always sweet. And I'm gonna leave this here black and red again for GameStop. This week was different. Week 26, right? We in the right, almost right in the middle, right in the middle of this 52-week challenge, this 52-week $100 challenge for ARK ETFs. And here come week 26, messing up the game. So real fast, ARK ETF dropped. All of them dropped. All of them dropped. Because a lot of things in the market dropped. Apple had a great Q4, great earnings. It dropped some. Tesla had some great response, had great like information and new updates. It dropped. Like almost everything dropped. So the market is definitely being shook, right? But the thing is, like, even if I had took away, if I want to take all my money right now, right? I started out with $700. I'm walking out away with 1,100. So that's still, I'm still okay. I'm still at 60% return on investment in 26 weeks. So I'm good, right? If I wanted to do that. I am thinking about switching brokers, right? Because right now I actually, this is my Robinhood account. And the way Robinhood was acting up, it actually did cost me some money. I had some money with Nokia and with Naked Brands, and I couldn't get it. I couldn't get it at the price I wanted. I couldn't pull my money out when I wanted. So I'm definitely going to be joining whatever lawsuits are that are available. I got one share of GameStop. I'm just gonna let it sit there for right now, right? I'm just gonna let it to see what happens. I'm just gonna see what happens. I don't know. Right now it's around 300 something. Just gonna see what happens. Um, so again, I hope people are recognizing and learning, but don't be scared. That's my overall message right now. Do not be scared to invest. This is always the important part of taking calculated risk. Taking calculated risk, long-term strategies. Develop a strategy for yourself, and you will be okay. Right? While some people were like, I literally know some people who were running to jump into GameStop when it was already at 300, right? They were getting partials, that's another thing that Robinhood stopped. There's a lot of things, right? So with all that being said, uh, if you want to go to Webull, my link is in the bottom, right? If you want to start using Cash App, my link is in the bottom. I always encourage, I provide every single video. I provide my different links for different things, for different platforms. And plus, you should have more than one. Okay, you should have more than one, right? Unless you're doing a huge amount of day trading. Majority of the time, they don't keep track of. They don't really talk to each other a huge amount, right? Like one time I wanted to day trade something, and I already hadn't maxed out at Robinhood, and I went to a Webull and did something else instead, right? They don't talk to each other like that. But I'm not day trading to that level, right? I'm not day trading to that level. Um, and so most again, like so, just be careful, y'all. That's learn what you can, do what you can, and don't get greedy. That's the scary part, right? Don't get too greedy, right? We in this to make money, plain and simple, right? We're not here to just investigate and learn, right? We want to make money too. So earn while you learn. Find investments that have long term value. And again, matter of fact, I'm gonna share my screen again. I'm gonna share my screen one more time. This is what I showed last time, and I even made a point. Right, I made a point. I said every time, like look. So what week was this? Let me zoom out a little bit. Week four, week four. Well, no, week five and week six. 40 something dollars down. Came back 24. 6 weeks, in week eight, $6 down. Came back 21 down 75. We had three negative weeks in a row total, right? Of total. 11, 12, 13th week came back with $80. $9 and lost $9 a week 15. Came back 32, had a streak. We had a streak. A streak. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks straight of increase. Then we had one terrible week, week 22, and then it bust out 120. Now we at 59. You know what? At this point, I get excited when I see a really bad week. Ain't this is the philosophy, this is the mindset that people have to develop and create over time. I am excited that we just had a horrible week in my portfolio of ARK ETFs went down almost $60. I'm excited because I know, according to history, according to statistics, either we might have another week. I might have another bad week. It might be another bad, horrible, terrible week and lose even more. But because the way the market operates, the market, okay, the way the market operates, it always go back up. It always goes back up. And with Catherine Wood in the driver's seat for ARK ETFs, they only are going to continue to observe, to examine, and to do better. And again, they are part of the institution. They got hundreds of millions and maybe some billions, right, invested in these companies. So therefore, this is going to be okay. It's going to be all right. Maybe not week 27, maybe not week 28, week 29, week 30, week 32. Let's get it popping, right? So I'm good. I hope y'all okay. I hope y'all didn't lose a lot. If you see anything about, if I find out or hear anything about people who want to join any lawsuits, I'll share that. But until next time, y'all, be safe, be careful, invest wisely, invest wisely. All right. Love y'all. Peace.